Meaning of inscrutability.
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 Inscrutability. The term inscrutability refers to a state of being difficult to understand or comprehend. It can refer to situations, ideas, or actions that are shrouded in mystery or obscurity, making it challenging for people to decipher or make sense of them. Inscrutability is often associated with complexity and ambiguity, and it can be frustrating for those who seek clarity and meaning in their interactions and experiences. The concept of inscrutability is commonly explored in philosophy, psychology, and literature, as scholars and writers grapple with the limitations of human understanding and the mysteries of existence.